Yo, what's going on, y'all? So if you have made it this far, congratulations. You have finished our series on showing you how to get set up with Shopify from scratch, from nothing into a whole full-fledged website. So of course, I want to thank you for tuning in to my video, and be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. After you do that, be sure to join our Facebook group, Sublimation Cove, where we cover the topic of sublimation. And last but not least, we are the owners of Cosmos Ink. So if you need any type of sublimation ink or pigment ink for your business, be sure to hit that link down below as well. All right. Just stay tuned, and when I come out with content, of course, you'll be notified because you already hit that subscribe button down below. All right. I will see you all at a later date. That is it. Angelo out.